That smoker cough isn't normal. Your body isn't just clearing it out, it's screaming. Because while you're ignoring the scary pictures, real horror is growing inside you. Pulmonary fibrosis. It's your lung tissue turning into a permanent, stiff scar tissue. Think of a soft, elastic sponge slowly turning into a dry, brittle brick. You can't expand it, you can't get air, you literally suffocate while you're fully conscious, and there's no cure. The damage is forever. That cough is a warning. Listen to it, follow for the truth about your body, and